We'll guide you through how to see your Apple ID password on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you're trying to sign in to your Apple ID account on a new device, or you're just trying to do something on this device here and you're finding you can't go and remember the password. So you want to go and see if you can go and see your Apple ID password. We'll guide you through some different methods you can try in order to go and do this to go and remind yourself. So make sure it's full video. So for the first method, what you want to do is come to the second page on your iPhone, come into Utilities and come into the Passwords app. This is your iPhone's password manager. Alternatively, you can go and drag down and go and search for passwords and open it up. You need to do Face ID or enter in your passcode. Now what you need to do is you can go and press search at the bottom and you can go and type in Apple like so. So you can see at the top here, we've got it saved. If you have as well, you can go and tap on it. And then what you can do is tap on password and it'll then go and reveal what it is. And you can then go and see it there and you can go and use it. However, if that doesn't show up there or it's not working for you, the next option is to go and open up a web browser. You want to come to google.com. There's a chance it could be in your Google account password manager. So what you can use on google.com is press your profile icon in the top right and press manage your Google account. Next, you want to go down and press security and sign in. On here, you can scroll to the bottom of this page and you can go and find Password Manager and go and tap there. Then you can go and press search and you can go and press search again and go and type in Apple. If it's been saved, you can then go and tap on it. We need to go and verify that it's us. Once you've done that, you should go and see your login here and you can press the I to the right of password to go and reveal it. So hopefully you now can go and see it. If that still doesn't work for you, then what you can do is go and open up the settings app on your iPhone like so. Press your account here at the top. Then what you can do is go and press sign in and security and go and wait. Come down and you can press change password like so. So as a last resort, you can go and change it and you don't need to know your current one. You can actually use your iPhone passcode in order to go and reset it. So you can then enter in a new one here and retype it to confirm it and that's it. Hopefully you've now managed to go and find your password before doing that though. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.